my culmination of my rotor table. I have the fence fully adjustable. Top for higher bits. Aluminum fenced. Heavy duty dust collection. Nerker Inca master lift. Various accessories, these drawers, drawer for the bits, drawer size to fit the small routers, bottom drawers are sized to fit the large routers, full-size routers. And this one with the hand tools and the wrenches. This is just for added bases and other junk. And this one, it's the same. It could be for the routers, but right now it's just various jigs. For the height I work, we got a full slide. Made stops. Got two of them. We can put them on either side. And there you have it. A long-awaited finished router table.